Good afternoon, all. It's a beautiful day in Maryville, Tennessee. We got a little bit of rain. We have a really cool barbecue class that we're going to do. I do have a helper, but man, it's so hard to find good help lately, isn't it? Maybe if I do like an abracadabra, you know, I can talk my little helper in. Oh, voila, there you go. Hey, where did you go to culinary school, by the way? Oh, Paul's Culinary School. So Gabby is going to make a Vidalia and green onion Johnny cake, which is a lot like a cornbread cake, like a pancake. And Gabby, go ahead and pour one of those in the middle there, okay? Right in the middle. And when do you turn it, Gabby? When do you know to turn it? When the bubbles are all gone. So first thing we're going to talk about today is we're going to smoke a brisket. So look at the eye on the brisket. Look at the marbling. This should be crazy good. In my marinade, I have mesquite seasoning. I have salt, pepper, lime juice, and garlic, and some house-made barbecue sauce. But also notice how I scored this brisket. All that flavor, it's beef. All that flavor is going to get down inside this brisket, and it's going to get in the cracks of the meat, and it's going to be super yummy, isn't it? Won't this be great? So we put the brisket in the barbecue, in the smoker, and magically, after about 20 plus hours, it's going to look just like that. Doesn't that look beautiful? So let's talk about smoking overall. I mean, you could take a foil pan like this and a Weber kettle, our Weber barbecue, put some chips in your barbecue with a little bit of charcoal in the bottom, and you could smoke. All you have to do is monitor it, etc. So we'll slice that up when we do in our next video when we go to the plate. So the next thing we're going to do is we have some really good chicken skewers. It's got arugula, oregano, garlic, peppers, chicken on it. Doesn't that sound great? Maybe not. Or we have the kids' version of hot dogs. That's right. So I guess we'll need to cook a few of these, won't we?
Yeah, we did that before with my cousin.
Yeah, that we did. So we're going to put the skewers on. Notice that I'm not going right to the grill, but I'm using this cast iron plate. So I'm going to get a lot more heat out of this cast iron plate. Here, I'm doing it, Gabby, okay? Watch your pancake. Is it ready to flip? Hold on, I think it's ready to flip. Hurry. Okay, use a spatula.
No, there's still bubbles.
I think it's ready.
There's still bubbles.
There's still bubbles? Should we try it? Okay, I'm going to do it. So, this is the Johnny cake. Oh, okay, you do it. Okay, turn it over. Ready? Woohoo! Rock out. That is great, isn't it? So let's go back to the brisket and see what we have. So again, look at the score marks, look at the color on this. Since I used the left side of the decal, that will be really good for slicing. I don't know if you can see that, but look at the moisture in it. This is going to be a great lunch. Okay, Gabby, how's the Johnny cake doing? Is it good? Is it doing good? Okay, sounds good. We're going to slice a few on this side. Notice I didn't take any of the fat off of this brisket because I want this to permeate the meat. Like these slices here are going to be just stellar.
That's not bad.
It smells great. It doesn't smell bad. Are you crazy?
It smells bad.
Should we cook one of these here for you too? So I'm going to give this chicken skewer a really good sear, and then I'm going to finish it in the gas compartment on my barbecue pit. So, Gabby, we talked about what temperature we need to cook the chicken at. Do you remember what temperature that was? 50, maybe a little higher than that. How about 165 degrees? Okay. And I think your Johnny cake is about ready. I'm gonna sneak over here. Okay, put it in this pan here. Okay. Okay, and go ahead and cook one more. Good job. Okay, cook that one. Make another one. I think she's destined for an IHOP cook, isn't she? You know? Gabby, where did you go to culinary school again?
I went to yours.
Oh, really? That's great. You're awful young for culinary school, aren't you?
I saw you play.
Okay, that's good. Well, guys, we're going to finish cooking. We have some absolutely killer plate presentations, and we're going to show you a great trick with a baby Vidalia onion. I'll see you soon.